What if I told you that there is a secret code to get whatever you desire in life? You have probably heard of countless manifestation techniques, but it essentially all comes down to this. Your assumptions, whether you are aware of them or not, will sooner or later materialize. So if you want to manifest your dreams and create a life filled with success and abundance, you have to understand the power of assumptions. I will share with you how to apply the law of assumption successfully, so that your assumptions will always harden into facts. Neville Goddard, a great mystic and spiritual author of the last century, said that if we can dare to persist in our assumptions, they will harden into fact. This statement is more than just words. It's a masterfully crafted key to transforming our reality. The assumptions you make determine your life. You might think that the physical world is real, but it is only an assumptive world. If you describe another person, you will do it with your own filter and your own assumptions. But if you ask another one to describe that person, he or she might see that person differently, yet both of you are talking about the same person. So we can conclude that what you see when you look at something or someone does not really depend on what you see, but on the assumptions you make when you look. Now the question is, if I am poor and want to attract a lot of money, or if I am lonely and want to attract a specific relationship, what do I have to do? Well, the answer is simple. Change your assumptions. The law of assumption always works. It's not like you have to make it work, but you have to use it consciously. Ask yourself now, what are you assuming about yourself and your life? If you are not happy with your current life, if you want to manifest a specific person, health or money, do this. Start to turn your attention away from your objective world. As we have just concluded, the world you experience is only relatively true because it depends on your assumptions. You don't have to apply a lot of effort. Simply stop reacting and thinking about what is currently happening around you. Now mentally see your desire. According to Neville, you have to focus your whole attention on your desired state until it has the distinctness and feeling of reality. Only if your thoughts and imagination give you the feeling that you have really experienced your desire, can you allow your desire to become a visible fact. Since it is difficult to control our attention, we should enter a relaxed state. You could do it before sleep or while meditating. A meditative state is favorable because you are still in control of your imagination and can fix your attention on your desired object. Once you are in such a calm state of mind, you are mentally seeing and hearing what you want to see and hear. If you return to your 3D world, it will feel like you have deceived yourself. But if you remain faithful to your vision and sustain the feeling of accomplishment, your desire will manifest. Neville Goddard has distilled the entire art of manifestation into one concise phrase. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled and persist in that assumption. For an assumption, though false, if persisted in, will harden into fact. Let this be your daily mantra. Let this quote sink deep into your being. As we can see from Neville's famous quote, persistence is key. You have to constantly assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled and live with this conviction. No matter what is happening around you, even if your current circumstances deny your assumption, you persist in your assumption. The world is an illusion, and your persistent mental attitude will shape it. The reason why many people are not able to manifest their biggest dreams is because they are not able to persist in their assumptions. They meditate, visualize, and the next day, if something bad happens, they forget about it and fall back into old negative thinking and feeling habits. You need to be mentally strong. You can't control what happens around you, but you can control your reactions and your own assumptions, so be mindful. During tough times, you have to show how strong your faith is. Just look at what it says in the Bible. Now faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. Faith is the evidence of things not seen. Your eyes may not see it right now, but your imagination, your inner eyes saw it. And that is proof that your manifestation is just a matter of time before it shows up in your external world. Apart from ignoring your current reality and having faith, there are two more methods that help you to persist in your assumption. Another powerful method to maintain persistence is to embrace every opportunity that crosses your path. As your inner landscape undergoes a transformation, your external reality will naturally rearrange itself to synchronize with your fresh set of assumptions. This could manifest in the form of unexpected doors swinging open, offering opportunities that might initially seem unfamiliar or challenging. It's crucial in these moments to respond positively and say yes to everything that comes your way, Resist the urge to let your fears become a roadblock to what you've desired. Even if something unwanted happens, it might be part of your journey. Have trust that every experience that presents itself is a deliberate step along the path towards realizing your cherished assumptions. The last strategy I want to share with you is to consistently refocus on your assumption. The fact that your assumptions can change is a blessing and a curse at the same time. Let me explain. On the one hand, it is great that our assumptions are malleable. If we want to change our life, we change the assumptions about ourselves and our environment. On the other hand, external circumstances and other people can influence us and our assumptions. If we let others have an effect on us and our assumptions, we are not persistent anymore and thus won't manifest our desires. Therefore, we should always return to our assumptions. To do this, use 1 or 2 affirmations that empower you and repeat them mentally whenever you feel like outside circumstances could change your assumptions. Don't let the outside world affect you negatively. Stay persistent and all of your wishes will come true. I want you to test the law of assumption. It works every single time, no matter if you believe in it or not. If you don't believe in the law, you will find yourself in situations that prove your disbelief. If you believe in it, you will manifest every desire that you truly believe in. It is as simple as that. Courageously embrace the idea that every possibility is within your reach. Push the boundaries of this law by daring to assume you are now the person you want to be. Believe in yourself, for you are destined for greatness. Remember, you and God are one. Since creation is finished, everything already exists. You only have to vibrate at the same frequency of your desire for it to show up in your life. You do this by assuming you already are or have what you desire, and persist in that assumption every day until your desire manifests. Everything is possible as you cultivate an abundance mindset and continue to be mindful with your assumptions. You radiate a magnetic energy that attracts prosperity and fulfillment. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and whether you were able to successfully apply the law of assumption in your life. Make sure to share this video and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on future content. I wish you all the best.